So hello guys, today I have come to Bonolata and I will tell you, I will upload video. Okay. Now here is some animals. I will show you. There is emu bird. See? So it's running. See, this is emu bird. These are pet emu in Bonolata. It is in the middle of Joypur forest. See? এমুগুলো কেমন দৌড়াচ্ছে জোরে জোরে তোলো করে তোলো হ্যালো গাইস বলো
ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল সব বলতে সেটা জোরে বলো ভিডিও করতেই পারো এটা দেখছি কেন দেখছি
See, they are seeing my phone as they will eat it now. So big. Wait, কত height কত? This is. It's very smell here. Smelly. আমি দেখাচ্ছি এমনি করতে ছোট ইউ it just do this toilet I think it done toilet it has just done toilet. The weather was cloudy and sun came out, so rainbow also appeared. Now it's invisible. I will give the picture in YouTube. You guys see the emus? You sing? Okay, these are emus that are also emu. Okay, 2 minutes. This is also emu. These are also emus. The place is very much smelly. This emu is sitting. I think it laid eggs or something like that. This all emu. And now I think we will see the ostrich. Okay. Oh, first we will see these flowers. Just see how beautiful. Hey, ostrich kotha? See the beautiful, very beautiful flower. No? This is also very beautiful flower. These are also very beautiful. Okay. I don't know this flower name, but it's very much colorful, you know. But it's the patent color, but there is some white flower. Okay. I think the ostriches are far away. It was rainy now. It was raining. See the sun. This is the, field. Paddy fields. There is a drain. I have to go that side. I can't go. Okay, no problem. It will break. You can't go. From this we can go. It will become a bridge. So wait. I'm going. Yahoo! I have come in. From that I make a bridge and come in. This is my mom, this is my dad. And these are the very much flowers. I told you this is not patent flowers. Very much colors are there. White, purple, pink. Oh. কিছু ভিডিও হয় না ostrich turkey and black hen They are full black. See, full black. And turkey. Okay, black hen and turkey. Interesting facts about emu. Did you know emus run at 48 km per hour speed? Number 2. Male emus incubate their eggs and raise their chicks. Number 3. Number fact. The emus find water by storm clouds.